How to add a password in TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Then tap on settings and privacy, and then here you can see the option of account. So tap on account, and as you do that you can see the option of password. So tap on password, and here you can just use the link or enter the code sent to your email that you have associated with your email ID over here. So you can just go to your email ID and check for the passcode that you have received from TikTok application over here. Here is the code. So I'm just going to go back and then tap on TikTok and then enter the code. So as I enter the code, you'll be led to a new page over here where you can see that you can change your password by just entering a new password over here and then tap on continue, and you'll be able to add a password on TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.